The crossover strategy was showing that if this doji was to close bearish or purple, that this entire move has a very strong possibility of continuing the downside movement. Now, if we did continue to the downside, like I mentioned in the other video, I want to see us test this SR flip as a support now, which previously was a double tested resistance. Technically, you can call it a triple tested and resisted, but then we had an impulse move out on the third test. Now, we're still on a bullish crossover on the daily, so the probability of this being a fake out is still relatively high unless this doji closes bearish. On the 4 hour, you're still in a bearish crossover as well, but it's important to note that the MACD is showing a lot of exhaustion, and that's exhaustion relative to other price points as well. So based on that, it looks like this potentially could find floor at about the 60 to 59K range if it wanted to. Now, volume has also been inflowing. 4 hour volume is still bullish, even though it's outflowing at the current moment. Anything over the zero mean will be relatively bullish, and then anything under will be relatively bearish. And on the hourly, we are in a bullish crossover as well. We're seeing a bullish pivot signal, but keep in mind, volume has been outflowing, and there has been really no pullback or signs that volume wants to get into a bullish territory just yet. We're very bearish at the moment, downtrending and under the zero mean. But it is important to note that you're seeing lower lows in terms of price action, and you're seeing higher lows on the MACD. That could be a regular bullish divergence being set up. So if you're trading the markets today, just watch closely, watch that daily candle close, and keep in mind that if it does close purple, the opportunity and the possibility that this continues to go bearish is very high, and vice versa. If this starts to pull bullish, we could see an impulse move and a swing back up to potentially retest the 65K range. And of course, if you want to stay up to date, go check out the Epic Trading Floor. That'll be the home for all of my trades and all of my analysis. Now you can see what I was talking about. This literally just popped up. You can see that this bearish candle is starting to pull back down again. This signal popped back up. The line is starting to turn purple. So this is showing you that if this candle does close on the day bearish, this signal will stay up, and that will show a lot of potential for selling pressure. And vice versa, if this candle continues to push back up and we close into a bullish day or a blue candle, the signal will vanish and this will turn back blue. Now, as you can see, it went back up a little bit, that vanished. And that's why this daily candle is so important. And it's not until this candle officially closes that that arrow will either stay permanently or never show up again. So I hope you all have an amazing day. Take it easy.